Alright, so we realized na wala palang audio yung ni-record namin nung nagda-drive kami, kaya ito, look at us. Anyways, for today's video, pupunta tayo ng beach house sa may West Van. So, I think yung pinag-uusapan namin dito ni Kat is papunta na kami doon. I'm not too sure, pero anyways, yeah, papunta na kami doon. And medyo malayo yung brunch place na pupuntahan namin. It's like 20 minutes of a drive, which is not bad, but it's pretty far from where we live. Pero anyways, yeah, we'll just see you guys there. Alright guys, we are already here. Ayan, may parking dito. Tapos yung restaurant is just a walk over there. So, yeah. Let's go. So cute here. Ayan mga bahay na ganda. Tapos you get the mountains, you get the water. Water yan. Ganda.
You wanna give me
It's McLaren, oh my god, that's my dream car right now, McLaren. Alright, so that's the beach house. That's where we're going, and that's the beach. So it actually smells like water here. It smells like ocean, no? Like, do you smell it or no?
a little bit?
On the other, a little bit lang talaga yung smell. Pero you can smell it. Mamaya magmuni-muni tayo dyan, no? If it's not raining. Sana hindi mag-rain. Ang cute dyan, no? Ambleside ba yan? Beach house. Tama-tama kami, guys, kasi 10:15 yung appointment. I mean, yung reservation. Ayun ang brunch. Hey, we're inside now. Look at that. So cute. We got the yuzu calamari. So it looks really good. Good.
Bago sila bumaba. Bago sila bumaba, ginanon siya ng lola.
That's my order. Jumbo love crab, eggs benedict, and that is the
Beach house breakfast.
beach house breakfast. Let's dig in. Alright, we just finished eating the beach house. That was very good. How much was the bill?
I think it was just the soap. Total is totally 70.
Oh, 70, that's not bad.
Plus
That was really nice.
the stacks. I mean, so
Ay, ang ganda naman dito. Parang nasa LA.
yeah, like it.
Sounds like it too. Oh, that's the patio for another beach house. Really nice. Oh, this is where they were running. So it's a nice run.
Come on, do you want to walk?
Yeah, let's walk. Ayan o, ang ganda guys. Wow. So nice here. So nice, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go again with the no audio. Ewan ko anong nangyari. Pero nung pag nagre-record kami sa car dati, okay naman, may audio naman. Pero ngayon, since I updated my phone, yung iOS, sa iOS 18, pag nagre-record na kami na nakakabit yung phone dun sa car, it's not recording the voice. There's no sound at all. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero, na-surprise din ako kasi every time nagre-record kami, hindi nagsastop yung music sa car. So, maybe that's why parang binablock off. I'm not sure. But anyways, I think what we're talking about here is that we're gonna go to Kat's appointment. It's eye appointment, but she's just gonna pick up her glasses that she ordered last Tuesday, which was really really fast. It got there this weekend, so we're gonna go there and she's gonna try it out and see if it's the right fit, if it's the right prescription, and if it's not, then yeah.
My phone's gonna die soon. Can you... It's not dialing because it's gonna die soon.
Okay.
Can you call?
Yeah.
So nakuha na natin yung eyeglasses natin.
Patingin nga.
It's this one.
Anong difference niyan?
Well, kasi nung nag LASIK surgery ako sa Philippines 7 years ago, sabi ng sabi ng mga eye doctors dito na they
Overdid it?
they overdid it. So, second opinion na to actually kasi the first one na
Sinabi din?
nagpa-eye check up ako sa Costco for prescription para sa sunglasses. That's what they told me as well, na overdid daw yung
LASIK mo?
LASIK surgery ko. And then here, ganun din, siguro 2 years after, ganun din yung sinabi nila. So, ang nangyari, nearsighted ako before sa Philippines, and then now I'm farsighted. And then ang hirap kasi since every day ako nakaharap sa computer, like sa work, nasa computer ako, na-force yung eyes ko na mag-focus siya kasi nga dahil farsighted ako, if malapit ako sa computer, medyo
Nasa-stress yung eye muscles
yung eyes ko, yes. And so pag at the end of the day, sobrang sakit ng mata ko, sobrang dry ng mata ko, minsan yung pressure ng mata ko nagkakakos na din ng headache. So minsan parang hilo-hilo yung show natin. And so napa-check up kami ni Kim. But hindi ko inakala na ganun pa din yung sasabihin nila sa akin na parang yun nga, na-overdid nila yung LASIK surgery. And so I had to get an eyeglasses para hindi masyadong or parang at least man lang
makahelp.
makahelp.
And they're also blue light glasses. Actually, you can tell already.
Yeah.
Like when you were wearing it kanina, ayan no, may siya.
May blue, yeah. Yeah, it's very inask namin talaga siya specifically for working kasi nga sobrang exposed yung mata ko sa screens every time. I mean,
I'm just
hindi
disappointed because they didn't order my
No, na-oversight lang nila. Na-overlook nila.
Pero alam nyo guys, maganda dito. It's called Wink Optometry sa my Metrotown. It's really, really good because they have a lot of, like, yung check-up dito, hindi yung parang sa mall na medyo fast yung
Yeah.
Oo, dito, like, they take their time. It's very comprehensive. It's a little bit more pricey. Like, maybe $20 more than the price at the mall, but it's really worth it because they tested everything. They even have like like the back of the eyes, and then they check for
They have the neuro lens, yung parang focus size.
yeah. And then you know what I like too, the doctor here, because it's an independent business, that she takes her time to like tell you what's wrong with your eyes, or like why it's causing some strains, like if it's your muscles and what you could do about those muscles. And it's very knowledgeable. She's very knowledgeable, yeah, and she explains everything, and then she offers like things so that your eyes won't go bad, like go worse.
Yeah, and hindi siya yung parang nagme-make ng super rush na parang
Like, you have to buy
prescription.
there?
No,
Oo.
yeah, but also like hindi kanya, okay, hindi kanya pinipressure to buy stuff there or to do some treatments for your eyes. Hindi, wala talaga. Like, she would just recommend, but then sasabihin niya, ikaw kung kailan mo gusto.
Yeah.
It's
And
not
then
something
even
na kailangan
the
mong gawin ngayon.
eyeglasses, they didn't tell us to buy there. We just bought from there because we thought that it was easier. And we were right, because when we got these classes, we were there for like 30 minutes, and then she was like, all right, I'll put it through, insurance. But they fixed everything up for us.
Yeah.
Like, it was so quick. And then 4 days later, she has her glasses already.
Yeah, and then, anong tawag nito? Okay, so, 2 beses kami bumalik dito. The first time na bumalik ay nung nagpunta kami dito. So, di ba, nag-screening kami, nag-check ng eyes and everything. But, at that time, hindi niya makuha yung proper prescription ko because super strained yung mata ko. Super stressed yung mata ko. Sabi niya, ayoko naman bigyan ng ganitong prescription ka kung hindi naman consistent yung nakikita natin. So, kinailangan akong bumalik ng ibang araw kasi may ginawa siya, may drop siya na nilagay para kumalma yung mata ko, para mag-focus yung mata ko. Kasi nakailang beses siyang mag-check sa eyes ko, hindi niya makuha-kuha yung proper prescription. Dahil nga at that time na pumunta kami dito, sobrang strain ng mata ko. Sobrang hindi stable yung mata ko that time.
Yeah. And I just thought about another thing that was good with them is if you buy your glasses there, or like your contact lenses, you have a trial, and then if your eyes don't adjust to your prescription, or like if it's giving you headaches, or if it's anything like that, you can go back to them, and then they'll redo your eye checkup, and they'll make sure that what you're paying for is actually your prescription.
Yeah.
Which is good, because you don't really get that guarantee from the mall, because at the mall they don't say that to you.
Yeah.
Parang kung ano na yung mabili mo doon, ano na yung prescription mo, yun na. If you want to do another test, you'll have to pay for it. Yung parang ganun pa. So, it's really nice. I like it here. It's a little bit more expensive, but I think mas sulit yung money mo talaga dito.
You get what you pay for, what you're paying.
Yeah, you get more than what you pay for, actually, because like of everything that they do. And the service, like the receptionists and everyone, they're all very, very nice, and like
Girl, yeah.
yeah, and they're all calm, talking.
Yeah, and very magaling mag-explain, and parang they're very open din sa questions. Parang if may hindi ka naiintindihan, if it's something new na nalaman mo about your condition, like sa eyes mo, they're very open to explaining it to you. Parang hindi ka nila leave.
Yeah, and they're super fast and
efficient.
Yeah, they're very efficient.
Yeah. Anyway, so after nito, kung naalala niyo yung video ko na nag-skin art ako before, I think that was 2 years ago dahil sa acne ko. Andito lang din, malapit lang din sila dito. Andito sila sa isa sa mga buildings dito. And since nung nakagawa ako ng treatment sa kanila, doon na ako kumukuha ng sunscreen. For 2 years, hindi na ako nagpalit ng sunscreen, sa kanila lang talaga. But hindi na ako bumalik ng treatments.
It's not their brand though. It's just the brand that she uses, and she can always get it here.
It's not the Skin Art brand. It's a different brand na sila lang, authorized sellers sila. They're, parang, and I don't trust anyone din na bumili ng brand na yun, because you can't buy it sa mga malls, and basta sa mga lang sila, authorized
reseller.
Resellers nagbebenta.
Usually like dermatologists and all of that.
Yeah. So hindi na nasundan yung treatment na ginawa ko sa kanila, but I kept coming back because of the products na kinicarry nila. But that's it. I mean, yung sunscreen lang naman. I use drugstore brands na for other skincare products. I mean, for other skincare, but for the sunscreen I use
By drugstore, she means Sephora. So it's not really a drugstore.
It's not really drugstore, sorry. Sorry, yeah, Sephora. Sephora and I think Sephora lang. Yeah, Sephora.
Pero it's only, it's same brand for everything,
Yeah,
pretty
it's the
much.
same brand for everything. But for this one, I use this one specifically, yung sunscreen. I use it every day, every single day. Walang paltos. I use it kasi nahiyang yung yung sure ba ko. It's a little bit pricey but it's fine. It's okay. It's
Alright,
anyway,
bye.
see
See you later.
Teka lang. Do you have the keys? Okay.
Alright, so we are now here at
Queensboro Landing.
Queensboro
Landing.
because we need winter coats.
Yeah, we have some sa bahay, but it's not as good.
Yeah, we're just getting rid of everything and then getting one good one to last us forever. Anyways, sige na, bye! Okay, so ito na naman tayo. Wala namang audio yung car. But anyways, ito na nga. Pauwi na kami ng time na to. But there's a lot of traffic. I think it took us like 30 minutes to get out of Queensboro outlet mall. Kasi ang laki ng traffic, ang haba ng traffic. We've been waiting like each light only lets one car in. So, sobrang tagal namin nag-wait dyan. And the reason why was because there's a truck na nag-breakdown in the middle of the bridge. Bridge ba yun? Ewan ko. Pero 2-lane lang kasi siya. Kaya, pag may nagbe-breakdown sa 1 lane, it really affects everything. But yeah, dun nga yun sa bridge. Dun siya nag-breakdown. Alright guys, so funny thing. We just got home.
As in, nasa labas na kami ng door ng bahay namin. And then, right when we were about to exit
The elevator. Nahulog yung keys.
Alam niyo yung gap between sa elevator and then sa floor, like yung sa guys, nahulog dong keys. Buong keys namin, buong kumpul ng keys namin, yung car keys, yung fob, yung keys ng bahay namin, and yung mail room keys. Lahat ng yun, nahulog.
Okay, so there's another set of dilemma, right? But it's very, very good because we have a spare kila Angelou, and so sila Angelou, they will drop off our spare key here. But so we don't. How are we gonna go up? Do you still have a phone? Okay. So Kat's phone is our only way to get up to our floor because the fob is with the key that fell, and then the other one is in our house. But if Kat's phone dies, I don't know how we're gonna get up there.
I mean, that's the least na problemahin natin because we can just charge anywhere. Like,
Do you have a charger with you?
really, like, no, I don't have a charger, but we can, like, there are people out here, we can always ask. na
Okay,
mag-charge.
yeah.
Or even sa office, we can always ask na mag-charge.
Yeah.
But then, our only problem right now is that si Daisy.
Oh yeah, Daisy's upstairs. But also just kind of funny because this happened when everything is against us. The phone is dead, or the phone's going to die. And then you know what, let me text Angelou right now and ask her for a phone charger to bring one.
That's okay.
Okay. And then our garage key is over there too.
So
So
we can park sa garage. Okay, yung
but this week we're gonna be driving every day to work anyway
Oh, yeah.
because Sam is not there. The thing is though, we called so we had two options. One was to call Richmond Elevator, and ask them how much it would cost to retrieve it like in a couple of hours. Or we could just wait until there's an elevator service here. So we called Richmond Elevator, being like the most the fastest solution, but it costs $580 something.
$589. It's so expensive. I mean, I think
Yeah.
siguro yun na talaga yung presyohan, but we thought na siguro mga around 200 to 300 lang, but it's 500, almost 600. That's very expensive.
So we're deciding, or we've decided that we're just gonna wait until, you know, like
May service.
there's service. For the meantime though, we can't use the garage, or I don't know how we're gonna do it. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for Angelou right now, and I'll update you guys later. Bye. Alright, well, we're finally in. We already ate dinner. Daisy ate dinner already.
No,
So our next order of business is to go for a walk with Daisy.
so we're going for a walk.
We're gonna go for a walk. Ayan siya. Nagsistruggle kami every single time kasi ayaw niya mag-leash. But anyways, thank you so much to Angelou and Yondi who dropped off our keys. Thank you so much.
Oh my god, can you...
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Thank you so much, Yondi and Angelou, for
everything.
for everything sa pagpunta niyo dito. Kasi guys, hindi kami makapunta sa kanila. Dahil nga yung keys ng car, nahulog din. Pero may spare naman kami. But you know, yung importante lang naman is makapasok kami sa bahay. Which is meron andun yung spare nila. I mean namin sa kanila. So thank you so much.
So, pro tip, leave a spare key with your friend. Or kahit like your aunt or something. We don't have a lot of family here. We only have Daisy's parents here. And so they're not even here. They're in the Philippines. So we are so thankful that we left them the spare key like a month or two ago, something like that. But pro tip.